2. Into how many departments is commerce mainly divided into? Which are they? Answer: into 2. They are O trade, O aids of trade. Question 3. The trade is subdivided into 2 divisions. Which are they? Answer: home trade and foreign trade. Question 4. Into how many divisions the home trade is divided? Answer: into 2. They are wholesale and retail. Question 5. Which are the 2 divisions of wholesale? Answer: they are import trade and export trade. Question 6. When did the commerce begin to grow? Answer: it is began to grow only after the division of labor and development of exchange. Once it started growing, it spread its invisible thread throughout the length and breadth of the world. Question 7. What is a company? Answer: a company is an incorporated association which is an artificial person, having an independent legal entity, with a perpetual succession, a common seal, a common capital comprised of transferable shares and carrying limited liability. Question 8. What is audit? Answer: an audit may be said to be such an examination of books, accounts and vouchers of a business, whether it is in a proper manner for the financial period. Question 9. What is the minimum number of directors in a public company? Answer: at least 2 directors. Question 10. What is public sector? Answer: O central government, O local authorities and O the public corporations that run nationalized industries. Question 11. What is plant layout? Answer: plant layout means the arrangement and location of different departments and of the machinery and equipment within a department. Question 12. What is protocol? Answer: the minutes or records of a diplomatic conference, especially a note of agreement on a subsidiary matters which supplements a treaty. Question 13. What is mortgage? Answer: it is a transaction by which land or any other property may be given as security for repayment of a loan. Question 14. What is loan? Answer: something lent for the borrower's temporary use, especially money lent with conditions about repayment and the payment of interest. Question 15. What is an account? Answer: an account is a bookkeeping device used in summarizing the increases and decreases in each asset or equity item. Question 16. What is a balance sheet? Answer: it is the statement of account which is prepared at the end of every finance. It gives the total picture of business at the point of time. Question 17. What is business? Answer: business is the sum of activities comprising buying and selling goods, manufacturing goods or providing services in order to make profit. Question 18. What is guarantor? Answer: a person who promises that if a second fails to fulfill some obligation, then he will fulfill it instead or pay money up to a specified limit to compensate for any loss caused by the second person's failure. Question 19. What is quoted price? Answer: it is the price of a share commodity as stated in the official list of the stock exchange commodity market. Question 20. What is share? Answer: a unit for reckoning investors' interests in the contributed capital of a company.